How to use file uploads in Microsoft Forms. Whether you are collecting job applications, expense receipts, or design screenshots from your team, asking people to email them individually completely breaks your tracking pipeline. Today we are deploying Microsoft Forms' native file upload engine to build a secure cloud drop zone that organizes submissions and dumps files directly into your storage architecture automatically. So let's drop the upload tool onto your page. Open your active workspace canvas. Let's say I'll just open this quiz. Look right below your description block and click the green plus quick start button to bring up your field types panel. So for example, quick start with, and there you go. And now, if you see options like choice and text, but file upload isn't immediately visible, click the small drop-down arrow or icon at the end of the tool list to open your extended menu options. Also guys, if you see the Buy Microsoft 365 button at the top, that means you're on a free personal account and Microsoft completely deactivates file ingestion on personal profiles because the system requires a corporate OneDrive for business architecture to isolate and scan upload files. You must be logged into an official work or school account to unlock this tool. So you just left click the file upload button, options card. Also guys, if you don't have a subscription, there's one other method. So when you have your form created, just click on the question where you can edit your questions and add options. And as you can see, next to either of these fields, so both the title and also the options, we have a little icon, as you can see, insert, paste, or drag media. So you can just click on it and insert images or videos. Also under options, click on it here. As you can see, we can also upload. So as you can see, 5 MB size per image, and also choose images or documents from your Google Drive. And also, as you can see, once you have your subscription, it's pretty simple. So as you can see, you just need to add a new question, then choose this little drop down with more question types. I don't have this because I don't own the subscription. Then you will have this dialog window. Let me open this up. My ad's too blurry. So as you can see, file number, upload file, there's a button, and yeah, choose the single file size limit, and you can set up your uploads this way after. There you go, upload file, and then you're good to go. So yeah guys, this is how it's done. Just don't forget to grab yourself that 365 suite. If this video was helpful, as always, make sure to like and subscribe.